Hi guys, welcome to our new factory. As you can see, this is our new factory which is mainly handling the camper trailer. So as you can see, this model is our forward folding camper trailer. And that means you can put this floor into front of the trailer, and this is our camp. Okay, welcome to this part. This car is our slide-out kitchen with 2 burners or 4 burners stuff, and with a water tank, and then close like that. And this is our water inlet socket. And this is our wheel off-road tires and about 16 inch. And underneath the trailer, you can see we use the independent suspension with shock absorbers, and so the trailer can fully meet your off-road need in our camping. This is our step. You can go into the trailer and sleeping and eating, because in this trailer inside, with the bed or table. And here, you can slide and put a freezer as well. It's okay. This forward folding trailer is blue color, as you can choose other colors, and that is okay. So welcome to this part, as you can see, and this is our E4 tail light system, and with different standard, EU standard or USA standard is okay. This is our hand width. Can keep the trailer in different height. Yes. This one is the battery. You can see battery. Put the battery. And this part is our outdoor shower, and inside with the frozen. Like that, as you can see. Okay, welcome to the front of the trailer. As you can see, this is our connector. Connector also with 3 standards: EU standard, Australia standard, and USA standard. That is okay. So as you can see, this is the gas holder and oil ram. You can put the oil or gas to this range, and this is our jacket. Jacket can keep the trailer safe when you are camping outside. And this one is our emergency brake system, and this is our Anderson 50 plug Anderson. Yes. And this is our safety tray. We have 2 safety trays. And this one is our front guide wheel. Also keep the trailer safe and stable. Yeah. This is our oil jug, as you can see. This ram can put the oil. So it is very convenient, and if you are interested in our forward folding camper trailer, please contact me freely. Thank you.